Myself, Dr. Amarnath Shetty, Professor in AJIT Civil Department, Bangalore. Now, I will explain what supply and treatment model for the light process or ion exchange method. Okay, or ion exchange method. This is the process of softening of water. This is a NaCl solution inlet in the xylate process. This is the hard water. Okay. This is the waistline. Okay. Soft water. This is the xylite we can see in the okay in a cylinder. Okay. This is the figure of xylite process or ion exchange method. Ion exchange method of water has been used extensively in a small water system and individual homes. It is based on the ability of ion exchange resins, xylite, to exchange one ion from the water being treated for another ion. Okay, that is the that is in the resins. Xylite resins exchange sodium ion form for ion causing hardness in the water, such calcium and magnesium. Sodium is the one component of softening salt with the chlorine being the other. Okay, this is the xylite process. Okay, there's the ion exchange method or xylite process softening and being used in smaller water system and individual homes. Okay, it is based on the ability of ion exchange resins, xylite to ion exchange form of water being treated another ion of the water in the resins. Xylite resins exchange the sodium ion for iron causing hardness in the water, such calcium and magnesium. Sodium is the one component of softening salt in a chlorine being another. This is the process. Okay. Now, chemistry of ion exchange, very important. Chemistry of the ion exchange. The following chemical reaction is shown in ion exchange. Z is represented xylite, the exchange material. Removal of carbon hardness, okay, CaHOCH3, CaHCO3 2 plus Na2X, okay, gives CaX plus 2NaHCO3, okay. Next one, MgHCO3 2 Na2X gives MgX plus 2NaHCO3. Okay. Now removal of non-carbonate hardness. Okay. CaSO4 Na2X gives CaX plus Na2SO4. Okay. Cl2 plus Na2X gives CaX plus CaCl2. MgSO4 plus Na2X gives MgX plus Na2SO4. MgCl2 Na2X gives MgX to NaCl. Okay. The reaction represents cation exchange. The exchange of positive ion to replace the sodium ion used. The unit used to regenerate the material containing high amount of sodium, normally salt brain. Okay, this allows the resin to be reused many times. In ion exchange, softening process does not alter the water pH or alkalinity. Okay, very important. In ion exchange softening process, it does not alter the water pH and alkalinity. However, the stability of the water is altered due to the removal of calcium and magnesium and increase the sodium dissolved solid. Okay, very important. Water due to removal of calcium and magnesium and increase the dissolved solid. For each ppm of calcium is removed replaced by sodium, the total dissolved sodium increased by 0.15 ppm. Okay. For each ppm magnesium is removed replaced by sodium, the sodium, the total dissolved solid will be increased by 0.88 ppm. The measurement used express the water hardness in ion exchange process is differ from the unit that are normally used in a lime soda softening. Hardness in ion exchange process is expressed as the grain per gallon rather than mg per liter of calcium carbonate. Advantage of ion exchange process, very important advantage and disadvantage. Okay, in this process the sludge is not formed and the problem of sludge disposal does not arise. It can be operated easily and no skilled supervision is required. The hardness of the water reduced to zero, hence used boiler and textile industry. The process is economical where salt cheaply available. The load on xylite can be reduced by combining it with a lime or aeration process. This process almost automatic. This is the advantage of ion exchange process. This process is almost automatic. Xylite can be reduced by combining with the lime and aeration process. Process is economical where salt is cheaply available. This is very important. Operated easily, no skilled supervision is required. Okay, sludge is not formed. Okay, hardness is reduced to zero, and the boiler and textile. Okay, this process almost automatic. This is the process. Okay, disadvantage. One of the disadvantage. Xylot process cannot be used for turbid or acidic water. Xylot process is unsuitable for water containing iron and magnesium. Xylot should be operated carefully to avoid injuries or damage to the equipment. This is about the disadvantage of the Xylot process. Okay. Now we go for the reverse osmosis. We all know that daily we are using the reverse osmosis. The technique used to process requires high quality purified water in such semiconductor process or biochemical application is reverse osmosis. Okay. Reverse is very important nowadays. We are using this process of requiring high quality purified water in a such semiconductor process biochemical application. It can be used for treating boiler feed water, industrial wastewater, process water. Okay. Reverse osmosis is a water purification technique that reduces the quantity of dissolved solid in the solution. Okay. It is first developed 1950 by US government to provide fresh drinking water for Navy, and it then advanced to make it much more flexible for obtain purified wastewater from the wastewater produced by the industrial application. Reverse osmosis used for waterline pressure to push raw wastewater against a special semi-permeable membrane. Okay, it is essential for molecular sequences process which causes H2O molecules to separate from the contaminants. Okay, it separates the water molecule passes through to the inside of the membrane on holding reservoir. The contaminants are washed from the membrane and disposed of. Recently, RO used for treating boiler feed water in addition to industrial and process wastewater. Boiler are found throughout the chemical process industry and primary method to treating boiler wastewater. Okay, ion exchange based demineralization. Okay, demineralization. However, RO has been demonstrated to more cost effective than demineralization process. Advantage of RO: remove the nearly all the contaminants ion and most dissolved non-ions. Okay, relatively insensitive to flow and total dissolved solid, okay, TDS level, and suitable for the system high degree of seasonal fluctuation of water demand. RO operates immediately without any minimum break in period. Low efficient concentration possible. Bacteria and particles are removed. Operation simplest and automatic allowed to operate attain and make RO suitable for small application. Okay. These are the advantage. Removal nearly all contaminants higher and most dissolved non-ions. Okay. Relatively insensitive to flow and total dissolved solid level and suitable for small system with a high degree seasonal fluctuation in water demand. RO operate immediately without any minimum break in period. Okay. Low efficient concentration possible. Bacteria and particles are also removed. Operation simplest and automatic. Okay, this is the advantage. Disadvantage: high capacity and operation cost is one of the problem. Managing wastewater brain solution is potential problem. High level treatment is required. Okay, membrane are prone to fouling. This is one of the problem. Producing the most wastewater between 25 to 50% of the feed problem with reverse osmosis. These are the problem of reverse osmosis and the mainly advantage. Today we are mainly using this one, okay, reverse osmosis process. Okay, today all industries and household everywhere this we are using. Okay, this is about reverse osmosis.